Welcome back to Tool Talk Pro. Today we're breaking down one of the most misunderstood precision tools in the world, the torque wrench. A lot of people think it's just a fancy wrench, but it's actually the tool that makes sure your engine doesn't tear itself apart.
Yeah, if you've ever tightened a bolt and thought, that feels about right, that's usually the start of a disaster.
Inside every torque wrench is a calibrated spring. When you set a number, you're telling the wrench exactly how much force you want to apply. As you tighten, the spring resists until the exact moment your preset torque is reached.
And that's when you hear the iconic that click basically means stop right there, you're done.
Exactly. One click is enough. If you hear multiple clicks, you're over-tightening, and that can stretch threads, damage parts, or even cause a bolt to fail later.
They're essential in automotive work, aircraft maintenance, heavy machinery, electronics, construction, you name it. Basically anywhere a bolt needs to be tightened precisely, not by feeling.
Modern machines rely on exact tolerances, and torque wrenches are the guardians of those tolerances. Step 1. Always check the manufacturer's torque spec. Step 2. Set your torque's wrench to match. Step 3. Tighten smoothly and steadily until it clicks.
And whatever you do, don't use a torquey wrench to loosen bolts. It's not a breaker bar. That's a fast way to ruin the calibration.
Also, hold the handle at the center so the tool can measure force accurately.
Keep your threads clean. Tighten bolts in stages. And if you're working on a multi-bolt pattern, tighten in a cross or star pattern.
And when you're done, always turn your torque wrench back down to its lowest setting before storing it. That simple habit keeps the internal spring healthy for years. If you're looking for a durable, professional-grade torque wrench, ELORA's German-made models are known for exceptional accuracy. Just one solid option worth considering.
Reliable and precise, exactly what a torque tool should be.
That's the breakdown of how torque wrenches work and how to use them properly.
If you want more tool knowledge made simple, hit that like button and subscribe for more.
Thanks for watching. Stay precise and stay safe.